have two, oh my gosh, big trash bags full of clothes. Hey guys, it's Gwyneth and welcome back to my channel. Today we're decluttering my closet yet again. And you may be thinking, I feel like we did this not too long ago. And we kind of did. I actually still haven't done anything with those clothes. I still have them here in bags. I've attempted to sell some stuff online, but it's just a lot of effort. So I've come to the conclusion that I will be taking these two big bags that I'll show you in a second that already have things I want to give away, and then anything that I want to get rid of today, and I'm going to be trying to sell them through ThredUp, where you just send them off to them and they'll buy some from you or not. But that's going to be a whole other dedicated video. Today we're focused on decluttering. I have two, oh my gosh, big trash bags full of clothes. That's already decided that we're getting rid of. So if you want to see what those are, I will link that right here as well in the description box below. That was my first declutter and that's what's hanging out in those bags. Now, recently you'll see this big tub at the bottom and I put all of my work clothes in there. So that was from my internship. I still have like a good bit, like some clothes and nice dress shirts and all of my suit jackets because I didn't want those in the bin. So it still takes up a decent chunk of my closet. But a lot of like the slacks and stuff that I can just take out way later and steam or go get dry cleaned, that's just all tucked in a box because I want to keep all that stuff. It's a lot of stuff and I love all of it, but I still have one more year of school, so I won't need that for a whole year, and so that's why it is just hanging out in that box. I guess let's start with shoes. I feel like most of these shoes are gonna stay. I'm pretty consistent with my shoes. I think all the heels are gonna stay because like these are all work heels, and then some dress-up heels, and then these are like fancy heels. I actually never worn these sandals, so maybe they'll get some love this summer. These were just flats that I bought and kept in my work bag because there were a couple days I got some nasty blisters and I had to switch. The tennis shoes, they stay because I either wear them a bunch or I don't wear them at all, but I feel like everyone needs a pair or two of sneakers that you don't care what happens to them, because there's some situations where like you don't want to wear your actual cute, nice sneakers. So those will be staying. These my mom got me and I haven't tried them out yet, but they're like little flip-flops, but they're super soft and they're supposed to be like little slippers. And then these are pretty tiny, so maybe I should get rid of these. I'm gonna bring y'all more into the closet. I'm gonna get rid of this, just because this is not my style, and I still have tags on it. This one I am getting rid of. Just a long maxi dress. This one as well, it's another maxi dress, and then it has this like navy blue braided belt that wraps around. I think I'm gonna get rid of this too. It's just a jumper, I think is what you'd call it, and like a strapless one. Oh, and it has pockets. That was a cool thing about this. I don't know if I ever ended up wearing it. I don't do very well with strapless things. Don't really have the body for strapless. This is another strapless jumper. I just really liked how vivid the colors were. Like, I thought it was so pretty, but again, it did not get a lot of use. I don't know. If I wore it, I wore it once. I'm gonna get rid of this dress. It's just a long, flowy blue dress, and then just has some straps. It's actually a good like swimsuit cover-up, but I'm the type that gets a swimsuit cover-up is just shorts and a t-shirt. I think I actually am gonna get rid of this black dress. I'm gonna get rid of this though because it's like that really staticky material, and I remember trying it on and my hair got really caught in this zipper. This one I think I'm going to get rid of because I haven't worn it before, but it is like a pretty black dress, and then it comes with a tie, but it's also very sheer and see-through, so you'd have to like wear a slip with it, and I don't have that, so we're just going to get rid of this. I've had it for a while and haven't worn it. I think I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. It's really pretty, but it's just not really my style anymore. See, I have a lot of dresses. I went to, I think it was either 9 or 11 weddings with Taylor last year, so I had a bunch of dresses. I think this one I'm going to get rid of. Same thing, like it's just really big and flowy, and it's not like really the style I go for anymore, so we'll get rid of that. And then I'm also going to get rid of this pink one. It's just, it's really pretty. I'm just not super into floral. So if I do wear it, it's every once in a while. So I don't need like a huge collection of floral, if you know what I mean. Alright, so here is the other side of my closet. I have two levels here, and I'm going to start with the lower one because I think I can get rid of a lot of this stuff. This is a lot of t-shirts, which I do love t-shirts, and t-shirts are the main thing I wear every day to class. This one I can probably get rid of. It was just a shirt from church, but I don't really wear it, so I am gonna get rid of this monogram because I don't really wear pink, and I got this when I was like a sophomore in high school. Okay, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get rid of a ton, and like none of these I want to get rid of. I wear a lot of these. Then I have like a group of sweaters, some summer clothes, and then more sweaters up there. I'm gonna get rid of this sweater. It's like striped, but it's like really thinly knit, and it's a low-high. I also don't really like wearing horizontal stripes. I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's just a plain maroon one with these two little pockets on the front, and then it cuts up really high. It's cute. It's not entirely my style, and I've actually worn it a decent amount, so it's gotten some love. I think I'm going to get rid of these really tight sweaters because I'm not a fan of tight turtlenecks on me, so this is just a plain black one, and it has this like knitted detail to it. I also have a maroon one somewhere. We may come across a maroon one unless it's in the trash bags I already got rid of. I'm gonna get rid of this one just because I've had it forever. It's a really pretty green knit sweater, but it's also high-low. It's got a pocket. It's cute, but I've just worn it a ton. Gonna get rid of this one. Like the shoulders are out. It's black and has little white sleeves, or white lining I should say, and it's long sleeve. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's a sweater, but it's like short sleeve. I think it's supposed to be more like a work sweater. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's like sweater here and then black sheer here, and then it's got built-in studs. I think this is from Buckle. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I didn't even know I had this. This is so cute. I think I'm gonna get rid of this tank top. It's really pretty, but I've just had it forever, and it just ties up here. I'm gonna get rid of this. Just a little tank top that says slow your roll, and it's got some bread in a basket, I'm assuming in France. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. It's a green crop top with like lace up. Everyone always tells me they like this, but it's just one of those things that I don't love on myself, so it's like I think it's cute, but when I actually put it on, I'm not in love with how it looks, so it just doesn't get worn. Do y'all have clothes like that, you know? You're like, oh, it's so cute, like I couldn't get rid of it, but then when you put it on, you're not in love with it, so you don't wear. I don't know. Let's look at some of these sweaters. I really like sweaters. But that being said, I also get sweaters pretty frequently, like I buy them myself. So a lot of these are actually pretty new. They've only seen one Christmas so far. Guys, this pile, can y'all see? Oh, y'all can't see, but like the pile right now is from the ground already up to my knees of what I'm keeping. So am I not getting rid of any of these? Did I just unfold these all for nothing? Ah, here's that maroon one I told y'all about. We'll get rid of that. So of all my sweaters, I only got rid of 2, but I bought 5 more while I was gone. Okay, let's just dive in over here. I have my Letterman jacket, so I just keep that for the memes. Get rid of this Rue 21 red leather jacket because I have a red and a tan one, and really I just want a black one. I think I'm gonna get rid of this because I'm not into sleeveless cardigans. It's super soft though, and it has a hoodie, which is kind of weird to like have a hoodie but not have sleeves. Okay, fine. I am gonna get rid of some A&M stuff. I'm gonna get rid of this A&M sweater because I have worn it, wore it to a game, and actually got a photo in it. So it's kind of documented, but I'm not a huge fan of sparkles, and it does have sparkles on the side. And I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one is pink, like from BS, and it's just a little sweater. It's got a blinged out A&M. Down the side it says Texas A&M, but I've had it forever and haven't worn it, so that can go. I'm so proud of myself. This one I'm also gonna get rid of because it's like a red. It's not really even maroon. I don't know if it's picking it up on here for y'all, but it's more like, honestly, it's like the crimson, like Alabama red, not like the deep purple brownish maroon. As you can tell, pink really has a theme with its collegiate apparel. I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's just really chunky plaid, and I'm not really a fan anymore. I've had that for like 5 or 6 years. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one too, because I need to. Just do it. Cut the cord. And then I'm also gonna get rid of this white one. I've just had it for a long time. It's gotten a lot of love. I'm gonna get rid of this because I've just worn it a million times, so everyone in my life has seen me in this many times, so it's not very exciting to wear anymore. Okay, this one was cute. As I was drawn to this because of the little, supposed to look like a sweater piece, but I really don't like this part here, so we're just gonna get rid of that. This is cute. The main reason I keep it is because I love these buttons, like against the red, but I actually am not crazy about the pattern, so it never gets worn, so goodbye. This one I'm gonna get rid of. It's just kind of on the granny side. Like, I think I was thinking that I could like tuck it up into something and it would be cute, but it's just very much, this is the kind of stuff you see in my hometown boutiques because it's a very southern town, and this is the kind of stuff like you wear with your glitzy belts and turquoise jewelry, and I'm just kind of over that part of my life. This is from the Dash store. My mom got this for me when she went to Miami, like so long ago. I was in middle school when I got this, like I'm pretty sure 6th grade. And I keep it now more as a keepsake because I'm pretty sure all of those stores have been closed down for years. So part of it's just like keepsake. But guys, these are expensive. Like when they were selling them, they were like $90 or something. But I've always been a fan of the Kardashians. It started off as just entertainment, but now I actually like think they're really cool as I've gotten to like see their personalities and stuff like that and like their business sense. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Just been worn a ton. Time to go. I am gonna get rid of this one because I've worn it a bunch. Just a pink off the shoulder top. This one I'm gonna get rid of because I think I remember it being like too tiny. Like it was really tight up here around the v-neck. Alright, then I have this v-neck, but it's really tight v-neck, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Like it's so tight that like when it stretches out, like it's comfortable, but when it stretches out, like you can see my bra straight through it. I think I'll keep this green one. I don't think I've ever worn it. Okay, this one I am gonna get rid of. I've worn it forever, and no matter what I do, like it's just really sloppy looking. I don't know if I'll ever wear this again, but it was in my senior photos, and so I really liked it. And this one we are gonna get rid of. I do like the fit of it, but I've been wearing this since I was a sophomore in high school, and it's just not very trendy anymore. Hey, we did better on that section than I thought we would. Alright, then going through stuff up here, I have some hats. I don't really wear hats, but when I do, I really like this pink polo one, and then I have a A&M one. And then, I don't remember who got me this. I think it was my stepdad, but I think I'm going to get rid of it because I do have the just solid maroon A&M one, and I prefer that over the camo. So, then I have like winter stuff, and it's all Aggie themed. I have this really cute headband. I need to take this out so I wear it for like a game day or something because my friend Dylan gave it to me, and it's like a maroon, like it sits in your hair. And it's like maroon lace and says Aggies and sparkles, so I'm actually going to, this needs to be set somewhere else. So this is all I'm keeping, but I'm just going to move it out of my closet. So we've already looked at the shoes on my door, but these are the shoes that don't fit in my door. These are worn all the time. My Adidas, I love these. I do need to clean them. I am going to get rid of these because I got these 4 or 5 years ago. They're actually pretty painful. I got these on the square in my hometown. And once I actually put them on, they're real funky. And then this part here feels like it's like chopping at your ankles. Like, I know I can throw away these boots because they're so old and I use them. Like, I've had this for like 6 or 7 years and they're all chipped up and I don't even wear this style anymore, so these can be thrown away. Okay, these are the new ones I got off Shein. If y'all want to see my Shein haul, I recently put up. I got these for $9. I love these. These are definitely staying. These I wear all the time. These are also from Shein. Shein has some good shoes, guys. I love these. These get a lot of wear time, so we're keeping those. I think I'm going to get rid of these or see if my sister wants them. They're like, I think they're Dr. Scholl, but they're not really my style. I also have these wedges that I like a lot more, so I'll keep these over those. I also will be keeping these. They haven't gotten worn yet, but I think they could be so cute with some jeans. Some stuff I will be getting rid of. I'm going to be getting rid of these. They're really cute, but they're actually too small for me. I'm going to be getting rid of these Vans because I've had them forever and I actually forgot I had them and I haven't missed them for a day. I actually thought I got rid of these like a year ago, so it just shows. And these I'm going to get rid of because I got these from Shein and these were cute. It's just a really, really thin heel. And they are pretty similar to what I got going on here. So I'm just going to keep this and get rid of these. Alright guys, I'm back. I've been putting up some clothes and I have more to get rid of. One is this super cute sweater. I'm torn because I love this sweater. I get tons of compliments on it. My only issue is something happened and it got stained. The things I will be getting rid of is this. It's like goes up around and ties, and then getting rid of this blue. This has been in a hamper, like a clean clothes hamper for a long time, so it's all wrinkly, but it's just a light blue plaid shirt. I've worn it at least 200 times, so that can go. This I'm getting rid of because it's just a cute plain v-neck, but it's just got that sloppy look. I'm really lazy with my clothes, so I don't ever really iron them or anything, and so if it loses shape like that, it's just probably not going to get worn. I added 2 more pairs of shoes. They were actually up at the top of there, and there's this black pair of booties and then this pair. I got these a long time ago, I think from Marshall's. I just don't wear them that much. They're kind of a funky color to try to match. So after going through more of my t-shirts, I had 35 A&M t-shirts, so I got rid of a few. I still like a lot of them, but I just got rid of the ones like I don't really ever wear, so just like this one that's like 12th Man. Got rid of a lot of the pink ones because I honestly don't wear these that much. This one was kind of hard for me because I do like the white, but I don't really wear this that much, so. And then I have this one. This is also pink and it says a little dog and then just says Pink Nation. So this one isn't actually A&M, it's just maroon. Okay, and then another one that's also pink. I didn't realize how many I had from VS. The little A&M and white sparkles and the stripe, and then it says Aggies everywhere. What is this? Oh, it just says Texas Aggies. And then I went through my sweaters because I had so many sweaters. I'm actually curious. I have 29 sweaters. I got rid of 5, so I had 34. But this one is just a pink Ralph Lauren one. It's really cute, but I just don't wear that much compared to my other sweaters. And then another Ralph Lauren one is just this white one. And I've had it forever and I just don't really wear it that much, so it can go. Then 2 of these are actually similar style where they go up high. They're sweaters and they go up high and then the shoulders cut out. So I'm getting rid of a green one as well as this gray one. Here we go, and same thing, shoulders cut out. This one's a little bit looser, whereas the other one's like thicker and a little bit more stiff. And then the last thing, I love this, but I've had it forever. I got this when I was like a freshman in high school. So it's been like 7 years now. I've worn it a ton, like I've worn it Christmas, New Year's, like all that kind of stuff. And I love it, but it's just been seen by basically everyone in my life. Seen me wear it multiple times, and it's just getting to the point where like I don't want to wear the same shirt every Christmas. Alright, I just wanted to jump on here because I actually went through my drawers and I got rid of a lot more stuff. I'm not really gonna show everything because you will see more detail in the thread up video, but lots of jeans, swimsuits, shorts, sweats, leggings, a few pairs of leggings, so there we go, making progress. I filled up a huge shopping bag with shoes and then 2 more grocery or trash bags with clothes. If you want to see what, like how much money I got from this and dealing with ThreadUp and all of that stuff, then check out that video. If it's not up yet, then just subscribe so you can see when it comes up, and it should be shortly after this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you are not already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!